Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here, showing you our beautiful hydrangeas are blooming, and also our knockout rose. And I was looking in this hydrangea bush, and I found Ribbit Junior, and he's getting bigger. And it's been raining, and he really loves it out here. He's just been snacking on bugs and everything. Oh, he's a little bit longer than my finger right here, but he's not quite that big yet. Well, maybe he is. He's about 2 inches now. He's out here snacking on bugs and enjoying himself and everything. And he looks really cute and happy. I love amphibians because they eat insects and keep our and they're so cute and have a smile all the time. And they keep our environment clean of mosquitoes and stuff like that. Well, this is Ribbit Junior. Hope y'all enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all.